Hello everyone. Today we shall look into a scenario where we calculate the total sales based upon the maximum sale percentage. Suppose that here we have months of a particular year or the aggregated sales month wise from January to December. Here we have total sales and the maximum sales that we could notice is the 14 million, which is in the month of September. And based upon that, if at all we want to calculate the percentage of sales for the rest of the months, suppose that this is equivalent to 100%, the rest of the percent values or percentages, it could be calculated based upon the September maximum value. Okay, let us see how it could be possible by using a measure. I'll select the measure table and I'll create a new measure. Here I shall write the measure name as max sale equal to, I shall create a variable. I'll write var where we need a summary of sales table based upon the month name, because we are aggregating the total sales based upon the month name. So we would use summarize, where we could summarize the values in the table expression. What we shall write is, we will use this filter function by removing all the filters which are applied on date table. Okay, and I'll close the parenthesis. In the filter expression I would write is filtered date month name column, because we are using the column month name in order to see the necessary sales. And here we have written the table parameter group by column. We need to group by month name of date table. Okay, I'll put a comma. In the name we shall give the name of total sales. Okay, and in the expression we shall write sum of sales column sales. Okay, and close the parenthesis. Here we have written the summarize function. Close the parenthesis. Let us create another variable which is maximum sales value based upon the variable which we have created. The maxx function, which is an iterator function, it helps us to evaluate the sales summary table which we have written and aggregate the total sales and find out the maximum value from it. So here we'll return the result. I'll return max sales value which we have written the variable. I'll hit enter. Let us select this table and let us bring in the new measure which we have written. Here I'll bring in the new measure which is maximum sale, and here we could notice that my maximum sale September value is reflected in all the rows as per the requirement. Now what we require to calculate the percentages is nothing but a division. Okay, we shall go back to our measure and make the necessary change for the division. Here I'll write another variable and I'll write result equal to divide. Here I'll write total sales divided by max sales value, which is our variable. Close the parenthesis, and in the return clause let us bring in the result variable. So we could be able to see our percentage values, and I shall commit. To change it to the percentage terms, what we need to do is just select the measure and just click on this percentage symbol which you are able to see in the formatting, and if I select that, here you could see that based upon the values calculated we have the total percentages similar to the output which we require. So this is how we calculate the percentage of total sales based upon the maximum value which is obtained in the aggregation. This is all for now. Thank you for watching, and we shall meet in the next video.